Hi guys, today I am gonna talk about the iPhone home button. This iPhone but home button, it wasn't working. So what I did, I just ordered the home button from the on eBay. This is the one that I ordered exactly, and black one. Yeah, before replacing the home button, you need to know that uh, you have a original home button. So what I did, just I ordered first time that I said, okay, I will change the home button by myself, and I ordered this guy small, as you see. This is the one I ordered. It looked like it's same like original one, and I just opened the case and everything. This is my iPhone, and I took away the old one, which is here. It was broken. uh, Cable was is broken, and I saw that that's why it's not working, my home button, original home button. Then I put this guy which I ordered it, and I put it, I covered it, everything, but it did not work. So I start to think what I'm gonna do. I searched a little bit on Google, and I said, okay, I had another iPhone that which is not, it wasn't working. I took the original button, which was it was white. I just pulled it out from the old one, and I just put it this my my phone, which is now it's working. Let me put the passcode first. Okay, as you see I'm right. Let's say I am gonna put the Google and go ahead and push the. I'm going to push the home button, so it's going. See, this is the original Apple home button. This is the not. This is the what I bought online. It's not original. If you decide to replace your iPhone button, the home button, please make sure that you have the original home button that you can put it your phone. Then it will work. I had the experience that I bought the I mean home button. I thought that it's gonna work, and it didn't work. Once again, I am repeating that because I don't want you guys making mistakes what I did. So it took so many so many times. Not I can say maybe 1 hour I work and I put to this guy, then it didn't work, and I took it back, and so I tried to find my old phone button, and this is the work original button. Please replace your iPhone button with the original home button that Apple company made it. So this is my experience. So I just want to share with you before you decide to change the button. You have to watch this video, and after that you can change and you can succeed. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching. With another video, we will see each other again. Bye.